and welcome to another episode of Quarantine Cooking with Amanda. If you saw my video earlier this morning, you learned how to make dairy-free coffee creamer. And guess what? Making nut milk at home is just as easy. So today...
So easy, she can do it without me.
You're not in the camera.
I am now.
Featuring Felicia. So we are going to make almond milk. So it's really easy. First, you get your almonds. And you're going to get water. So you're going to soak them, and I like to do a ratio of 1 to 4 cups of almonds. And I just did 1 cup. So let's start over. So half a cup of almonds, and we're going to soak this in 2 cups of water. You need to soak your nuts because if you don't soak them, your blender will be very unhappy and it will be sad that you tried to break it. Okay. So we're going to soak our almonds and we're going to wait 4 hours. Just kidding. We've already done the work for you. But you are going to soak your nuts for 4 hours. So we have already pre-soaked our almonds. So now that we have pre-soaked our almonds for at least 4 hours or overnight, we're going to do again a ratio of 1 to 4. 1 almond, which in this case is going to be half a cup of soaked almonds with the water drained out, to 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna put this over here. My helper is not being very helpful. 2 cups of water.
I'm smiling and being pretty. What do you want?
That's all we want. Okay, so we're going to take our soaked almonds, 1 to 4. So we have half a cup.
And that's a good filtered water without chlorine.
That's right.
Hanging water.
2 cups of water. You can do a ratio of 1 to 3 for more almondy flavor, or you can do a ratio of
You can do 1 to 1 if you want it super creamy. You have creamer.
Or if you want to really live on a quarantined, limited supply, you can do like 1 to 8 and just drink water. So now you're going to take your nuts, you're going to blend them. Da, 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 da.
Blended.
Blended. Isn't that amazing?
She is fast.
God, this is so good at
She's so
this.
fast.
Okay, so now that we have our blender, high-speed blender, and we have blended up our water and our nuts, we are going to strain this almondy mix. So you're going to pour it into your favorite nut bag.
She found this cool nut bag that came with a holder. It makes it so simple. If you don't have a holder, you can tie your nut bag to your cabinet handle, put a big bowl underneath it, and just let it drip while you go off and play with the kids.
That's
while
right.
you're at home.
Don't worry, you can use a regular cheesecloth. Just be careful. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of milk because I didn't get a big enough bowl. And since we want to have nut milk right now, we're just going to go ahead and strain this by hand. Okay. Assistant.
That for you.
Okay, so we are going to just squeeze out all the excess.
Squeeze, squeeze, and make a mess.
Make a mess. You can't have a video without a mess.
Oh, let me get a paper towel.
Look how full our bowl is. Oh, that's it. Almond milk. So then you want to flavor it up however you like. So I like to do a little bit of sea salt.
Just a touch, not too much.
Pure vanilla. Don't be buying the fake stuff. It's bad for you.
You should measure that.
We should measure this, but we're not going to.
Like maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. Half teaspoon there.
Okay, good. Half a teaspoon. And then our favorite secret ingredient, pure maple syrup from New York.
We use organic, but you know most all maple syrup is organic because it comes from a forest.
That's it. And then you just stir it up and you have fresh almond milk, and then you filter it into your favorite glass jar, which we're not going to do because it will spill.
Because you didn't get a filter on the table, that's the only reason.
Because I didn't get a
Fill it
funnel.
up, chill it, and drink within, what, 4 or 5 days?
Yeah.
If it lasts that long. Great on cereal, great in your coffee, great in the mouth.
Enjoy.
Bye.
You can do it with coconut and cashews, and any kind of your favorite nut or tree nut.
Or you could take some coconut manna and blend it up in there, and that just gives it a nice consistency, makes it a little thicker, if you like your milk thicker.
There you go. Enjoy. I'm going to share the recipe in the comments, and this recipe will also be in our ebook, which is almost done. Let me know if you have questions.
Hey, if you're really in a hurry and don't want to go through all this work, just take some almond butter and put it in your blender with some water and blend it up in instant almond milk.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Half your face was in the